Hello again and welcome to this episode. My name is Rebecca Wanjiri, your Kikuyu language teacher. Call me the village girl if you want. I am here to teach you time. Kikuyu, name for time. Okay, but if you're new here, please subscribe. Yeah, so let's learn time. So second, we say second. By the way, we say second because like we borrowed from English, of course, but the Kikuyu has so many borrowed words because I'm sure when in those days I don't think there was anyone with a watch or a clock, so I knew people would use the sun to tell the time, like where is the shadow. So it is about 1 p.m. so yeah, so second we say sekedi. We say sekedi igiri, like 2 seconds. And the next one is minutes. Minutes we say is dagika. We say we hedagika idano, like give me 5 minutes. Hedagika idano, give me 5 minutes. Hour we say is either, if it's one, either. For example, 1 hour we'll say idha remwe. But if we are talking about 4 hours, we will say mana. So hours is mada, 1 hour is idha. Okay, hey idha, give me an hour. Okay, yeah. In Kikuyu, when you want to know what time it is, you ask netha sigana. What is the time? Netha sigana. Okay, yeah. So if you met a Kikuyu and you wanted to find out the time, just ask netha sigana. What is the time? The morning hours we say it's kiroko, or we say rosine. But then I use both. I use kiroko or rosine, morning. So we say rosio kiro. Oh damn, I told you about tomorrow. Not that. So I wanted to talk about morning. I'll say kiroko or rosine. But then this morning I found a very beautiful feather. Let me show you that feather and tell me if you've ever seen that feather before. Yeah, you can say I'm a collector because there's no way I was going to leave this feather. Oh, look at how cute it is. Which bird is this? It means it's a very big bird. Oh my god, look at that. I love it so much. And then, by the way, I don't know how to search for this feather because I need to know which bird has this feather, because the white part has some black dots. And this means it's a very, very big bird. And this is not a chicken because it's so pretty. I love this feather. Oh my god. I hope it's a uchawi, by the way, because this is a nice feather. And how did it get here? I don't understand. I love it. Alright, let's move on. Afternoon we say is, okay, some people will say miaraho, some people will say mudenya. But mudenya also means day. Like mudenya omwe, 1 day. Mudenya, okay? So at night we say otuko. So we say otuko, okay? Night, otuko. Sorry, I forgot. I should have started with evening. So evening we say it's hwaine. If we wanted to talk about today we would say omode. Today, omode, here, omode. Tomorrow we say is rosio. I'm sure you had heard me say that. Rosine, tomorrow morning. Rosio. The day after tomorrow we say is okay. And yesterday we say it's ira. And the day before yesterday we say is iyo. Okay, iyo. All right, yo, for this week or a week, let's just say a week. So week we say is kiumia, and when I was teaching you days of the week, remember I told you that Sunday is called kiumia, but if you wanted to say 1 week, you can say kiumia, kimwe, 1 week. So week is also kiumia. Also, but I like the way the British say also. Yeah, so also you can say wiki. It is still okay. For a month, you say mweri, which by the mweri also means moon. Sorry. So mweri is moon, mweri is month. Okay. A year we say is mwaka. So if you wanted to say last year, you will say mwaka modiru last year. If you wanted to say coming year, you say mwaka okete. Or if you wanted to say this month, you can say mweri oyo, or you can say next month. Next month you can say mweri okete or mweri modiru if you wanted to say last month. Where Aki, this flu is going to hit me hard, guy. Aki, and the way I hate flu. And yeah, I think that's it for the time. If you want to learn by the way, numbers, I'll teach you numbers, because now if you ask neda sigana, then someone should say neda inya, you know, when it's 10 o'clock, neda inya, or neda da emwe when it's 7 o'clock. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we continue with this journey, because I love it. By the way, I love teaching you these things because I love my culture, I love my language, and so all the time I just want to speak Kikuyu. By the way, if you've noticed, I struggle with speaking English, but when I teach you, I get to practice. Okay? Yeah, so thank you so much. See you next time, and leave me with my beautiful feather. But this feather has, like, if you touch it like this, hey, number one, it's that every feather is attached to the next one, or every strip, I don't know how to call it, and then it looks like it is smooth in a way, but it looks rough. So it's just a beautiful feather. Gosh, I just want to see this bird. Anyway, bye. Tigwa wega.